Smartphones, smart cars, and now smart homes. In a tech-driven world, just about everything is getting an upgrade. We're visiting Palm Coast, Florida to explore the first to the future zero energy ready home, where the folks at Rheem are eager to show us how the utilities of today are making a better tomorrow.
Everything we've put into this home, we've had a purpose in mind. We advocate smarter construction using only the best vendors we can find. That's why we hooked up with Rheem. They have the same goals that we have. A lot of your heat, air conditioning, and water systems is where you lose energy. We think they've got the best water and air conditioning system on the market. I think it helps the community and in the long run, the world. We have a lovely couple coming by today, and I'm looking forward to making them aware of all the efficiencies of this new home.
I'm Susan.
And I'm Brian.
And we've lived in Palm Coast area about 20 years. We love the community. We love being by the water.
Our current home is older. It's kind of outdated.
Our electric bill is through the roof. It's just not acceptable in my opinion. And I know there's something better. This way we've got more money to enjoy the Florida lifestyle.
Let's see what makes this house tick.
Hello.
Hi.
Fred.
Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you. I'm Susan Rogers.
I'm Fred from Palm West Home Builders. Great to meet you, Susan.
Brian Rogers, nice
Brian.
to meet you, Fred.
Oh,
Great
it's
to see you.
beautiful.
Well, let me show you around.
From the solar panels to the window shades, this marvel of form and function maximizes utility control while minimizing energy use, creating a more sustainable future.
Is there something special that brought you folks here today?
Our appliances are outdated and we're looking to cut costs.
Our bills are really high.
Well, you came to the right place.
Well, I'm glad we did.
Our electric bill here is about $40. 65% of your bill in your home is your AC and your hot water.
Really?
Yes. And we use nothing but the latest and best products out there. It would cut your bills dramatically. Fortunately, I have an expert here today that could explain it to you. Laura, you out here? Oh, there you are. How are you doing?
Terrific. How are you?
I have Susan and Brian here.
Hi, Susan.
Nice to meet you, Lori.
Hi, Brian.
Hey, Lori, how are you?
Thanks, Fred.
You're welcome.
It's so nice and cool in here.
I'm going to tell you the secret to all of that. If you feel over here, that's actually coming from your water heater. This is the hybrid heat pump water heater. This is the most efficient tank water heater on the market today. It actually draws the heat from the air around you to heat the water, and it pushes out cold air.
Plays part of the job of an air conditioner as well.
Exactly. This is also a connected unit. It's grid interactive, and it's also connected to solar panels. So it's actually being heated from the solar panels on top of the house. And remember, they're all interconnected. With a single app, you're going to be able to look at both your water heater and your air systems. These products have the same sensors and alarms that are keeping track of its health all day long. You're able to know exactly when you need any kind of service.
It actually just notifies you from your phone.
You actually get a checklist for
Absolutely.
maintenance.
So let's take a look outside. Welcome to the Rheem High Efficiency Heat Pump.
It's actually a nice looking unit.
Do you notice anything else?
It's very quiet.
It is very quiet. Now this system is also a smart unit, so it's got sensors all over it. It's giving information back to the system. So not only can you see it with your phone, but you also have a smart thermostat inside that can see everything on the system. You want to take a look?
Absolutely.
All right, I'd love to show you. Let me introduce you to the Rheem EcoNet Smart Thermostat. Now, everything I've shown you here today can all be controlled by this simple control. So this is really going to be the hub for your home, but when you're out and about, same kind of information that you can find here, you can now find on the app. Each product can send up to 40 different alerts or alarms or maintenance reminders, and even reports that tell you exactly how you're doing on energy consumption. It also integrates with a lot of the virtual assistants that are on the market today. Rheem is all about sustainability and helping families really get the most out of their environment.
I think that this is something we could really look into for our own home.
I really appreciate y'all coming in.
We appreciate you taking the time and showing us around. Thank you, Laura. It's nice meeting you.
Nice
Nice
to meet you
meeting you.
too.
For more information on Rheem and their products, please visit rheem.com, or you can always visit designingspaces.tv.